Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is RJ Monica. I am at Pondicherry. Pondicherry is a wonderful weekend gateway with serene beaches and the most picturesque views of East Coastal Road, good seafood, heritage hotels and the experiences, and mainly the French colonial architecture and culture is the top notch. We started off to Pondicherry at 4:30 am from Chennai and reached around 7 am in the morning, and the first thing we did is to rent a motorbike for ourselves. After that, we headed out to our breakfast spot, Murugan Cafe. This place is famous for breakfast. Prem ordered an onion dosa and I ordered myself Nei Mundiri Uttapam, which is ghee cashew uttapam. This is a special and famous dish in Murugan Cafe. I ordered that with the red chutney and coconut chutney. The food was delicious at Murugan Cafe. Please do check out when you're around Pondicherry. After the amazing breakfast, we checked in our hotel. We booked this cute heritage hotel, Lee Holiday Inn, and we booked it through booking.com. The staffs were so friendly and also it had good reviews in Google. Our rooms were spacious and had some stunning wooden furnitures and also art pieces. This cot right over here made me to feel like I am transported back to the old centuries. They have two options over here. One is the normal room with those heritage look and also the royal heritage look room, which I have chosen. You can choose any of those. I am leaving the link of this property in the description. The view of this room open up to the East Coast Road. When you step ahead of this road, you will find this Auroville Beach, which is a minute walk from our hotel to this Auroville Beach. They had this amazing swimming pool, nicely maintained, and also it is located at the backside of the property where you will not find any sunshine so that you'll not be tanned so much. The lunch spot for our day is the seafood restaurant D Bluefin. So I am here for the seafood. The ambience was so good and super friendly staffs too. They have this live seafood options where you can just choose the fresh catch of the day. I tried a seafood platter. I must say it was a great decision to order a seafood platter. It included squid, prawns, fish, crab lollipop, french fries, and also some quantity of rice with lobster. Though I didn't get lobster, instead they gave me a crab of Indian variety. I don't know why they excluded lobster from the seafood platter, but then if they have included that also, it would be a great deal for 899 rupees. After having this yummy seafood, I thought it would be nice to have a walk around this French colony. We started off to visit the French colony, but then we ended up in this rock beach. So we're going to see the rock beach first and then the French colony. Promenade Beach, that is this rock beach, is one of the most visited place in the city. The beach stretches almost around 1.5 kilometers and has some important statues. The statue of Joan of Arc, duplex statue, and the statue of Mahatma Gandhi. That's why it is also referred as Mahatma Gandhi Beach by the locals. We are here at this rock beach, Pondicherry. It's going to be 5. So this is the apt time to visit this beach because when the sun is going to set down and then you have this breezy baby feel, and it's a very best time to shoot photographs also. So we are here. And I'm looking for cotton candy right now. There are many sellers who are selling cotton candy over here. So I'm going to have a cotton candy and see this view and enjoy myself. After some relaxing time at the rock beach, we headed to French Colony. This French Colony is all about French street names, colonial buildings, and also some bright colored windows, the cycle rickshaws, and also the graffiti splashed on the walls. Everything was beautiful about this French colony. This French colony is a walkable area, streets having French names, but the translation is given in Tamil right underneath. While walking around the French colony, we seemed to cross the beautiful church, Our Lady of Angels Church, which is also a best attraction in Pondicherry. It faces the Bay of Bengal and it has a very beautiful architecture. While I was walking around this French colony, I thought I would do a hopping tour of caves at this beautiful colony. So I'll start off this most famous cafe in Pondicherry, which is so popular in Instagram with colorful yellow exterior. The Cafe des Arts attracts photographers and also selfie lovers to have a snap with this arts. Even I took a very good Instagram photo at this cafe. Next to this Cafe des Arts, you have Hope Cafe. This cafe had a very unique ambience with the radium futuristic entrance hall. My suggestion would be to visit here wearing a white colored dress which caused the radium to give an amazing effect on white, and your photos will be so amazing, and if you post in Instagram you are going to be Instagram famous. And also try to visit this cafe during night, because at night this radium color is going to be awesome. After hopping around some good cafes in the White Town, now I am here at Serenity Beach. Previously I saw the Rock Beach, which was quite different from this beach, and this beach is allowed for swimming. I was happy to see this beach be so clean, which is well maintained by the locals around. So I am here for the sunset, but then the best time to visit the Serenity Beach is during the sunrise. After having some relaxing time at the Serenity Beach and watching the wonderful sunset, we headed back to our hotel and chilled for a while, and now it's dinner time. For dinner we went to this most suggested place, Cave Ecstasy at Pondicherry. Even our hotel staff suggested this place for good wood-fired pizza. The ambience was great. I'm not sure about the veg options here. For non-veg you will have quite a lot of pizza topping options. These are wood-fired pizza with a thin crust. Keeping in mind of this quality of the pizza and the toppings, I would say this is not that much expensive. It is reasonably priced, but people said that this place will be crowded and the service will be very slow. But while we visited, the place was not that much crowded. We had an amazing time there. So if you're around Pondicherry, this is a must-go place for pizza lovers. So we are heading back to our hotel and going to have a good sleep. We'll meet you in the day 2 vlog. But to watch that vlog, please do subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon. And if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, comment, and also subscribe. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep watching and keep rocking, my lovelies. Bye.